Optimal Comedy Series, aka ABJ Job 1, colors for your wedding ceremonies, dedications, birthday parties, political campaigns, ordinations, coronations, carnivals, burials, seminars, workshops, and shows. Follow us on our social media page at Optimal Comedy on every platform, or you call us on 0902 493 0821. Optimal Comedy, making you happy. My name is Noah McDaniels. Today I have a wonderful comedian in our midst, and I would like him to do a formal introduction of himself. So, what is your name, sir?
My name is Nze Catkiss Tok Tok, aka ABJ Job 1.
Okay, sorry, sir. We have an important topic today as it concerns Nigerian musicians and comedians. So today we are going to take a critical look at their names and also the meaning, the origin, and also the spiritual effect of the names they bear. So what is your take on that?
Those one, where you see, no spiritual, no effect. All the name of many of them, no good at all. He bad. Name of many of them, no, they give God joy. Name of many of these musicians, my fellow comedians, they give God joy at all. In the verse God, you see, they talk say, person name name be person, and name person name be person too. As should they go, your name there, your back, they follow you. Your shadow, they answer your name, oh. As should they answer, now your shadow, they answer. Because name be your spirit.
Okay, sir.
And if you don't get better name, better thing not going to happen to you. That be the thing. They know.
Okay, sir. Now we are going to look at the implications, the spiritual effects of their names. But let us start with number one person on my list here. I have number one person in the person of Basket Mouth. So what do you understand by that name, Basket Mouth, sir?
You see this one where you call so? We say name na Basket Mouth.
Basket Mouth.
That guy we see. That guy that guy where you see get problem oh. How person go sleep, wake up, talk say in name na Basket Mouth. He go leave better name when mama and papa give am. He go say in name na Basket Mouth. If I talk say name self na tipper mouth. May we no say mouth.
Okay, don't be offended, sir.
Wait, you see that guy, eh? Any day when go sleep, Oluwa wey dey merciful, wey be God, wey dey for heaven, come look am finish. Change mind. Just dey move him mouth. As you say, one basket, na him go be your mouth, my brother. Man, take the man who I create now. Carry basket fix am. You go imagine how that guy go be. This one is say if him wife woke up, see how he go just tear this from off her house.
The woman will just run away.
Just tear this.
Because of
just imagine how person go woke up, his mouth go turn from mouth, come become basket. You better say, Baba, if just give him the mouth, say, make him mouth become basket. Say.
Okay.
So that all this Hennessy where they drink and all this, he go stop. Now where water now he go they drink?
River.
Leave him. Go on.
Okay, sorry, sir. We have so many musicians and comedians in Nigeria.
I know.
Okay,
they
sir.
go.
Let's look at the second name on our list. The name is P Square. So, what do you understand by the name?
P waiting.
Okay, so
Call him P waiting.
Is P Square, sir.
That one, that two twins, they are named the P Square. You know what? Those boys not even using that name the time where they pick up. Problem where Nigerians get. You go answer them where you know the reason. Make I ask you, Noah. You know what in BP?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what in BP?
What do you mean by P?
Wait. You don't see guy man. We don't meet you for no day say, oh boy, you go get P. You know what it be?
I don't understand.
No. Now die, now you go die.
Is it a battle?
P na problem. Capital problem. No. If you dey right, you no want that problem in full. Just carry P right. anybody wey say am go know say na problem. Na if person just look.
Now I know.
Person look finish. Eh? Come say him name na P Square. Square wey P full go. Square wey plenty P as in plenty problem dey. You know say that name no dey work that time wey they talk am. Na now wey the name don dey work.
It's true.
Two of them don't get problem.
You mean it?
Wetin be problem? P na problem. You know see am.
Okay, their name is just their problem.
P na problem. You know see say two of them don't get problem. P na problem. Two of them don scatter. The P wey dey that square don scatter. All of them, everybody go on him own.
You mean it?
The other one now, the other brother, go say his name now na Mr. P. Go. He just say his name na Mr. P. Go. No be say square again na P. Go. You see the other one wey be Mr. P brother. Make him tell us so. If Mr. P come jam am, he go be like person wey trade a jam. Problem never finish now. Wait, P still dey come now. It just say P don close. P never close. P dey come.
You mean it?
Leave these people. Leave them. They go.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Talk, don't be offended.
I dey hear. Offend waiting.
Because just like we said, we have so many names.
Come.
Okay, for instance, now we have the third name, which is Two-Face. Two-Face. What is so bad, or what is bad about the name Two-Face?
Wait. You see that man? That man, Two-Face. I like him. But you see that guy name? Nah, I no like.
What is bad about his
Two-Face? Two-Face. That guy wey him papa and mama give am good name, carry good name, give am. Better name wey be say if that is name wey be say if you just carry, e go dey go innocent, person wey dey innocent. Na him come talk say him name no be innocent again. Okay. Na him come talk say him name na Two-Face.
Okay, his name used to be innocent.
That guy no dey read Bible. You see that guy? E be like say no dey read Bible. Oye why say anybody wey carry Two-Face no go heaven o. E be like say e no read that place wey e talk am.
It's true.
Oyiru Abua na aga n'igwe, oga ya aga n'igwe.
Okay, what do you understand by Oyiru Abua?
Oyiru Abua, person wey get double face, one for front, one for back. Okay. If you talk yes for front, back go say no. Okay. Na him be Two-Face.
I can understand it.
He no dey go heaven. That guy, he go know wetin he go do. Make he no be say the time wey God go dey reward people make they go heaven, God go reject am. Make it better make you go change that name. That guy, leave am.
Okay. Just like I said before now that we have so many names.
Go.
We have another name. We call it Bovi. Or Bovi. Bovi or Bovi. Which one is correct?
What? Bovi.
Bovi. Yeah, it's called
Bovi.
Yes, sir.
You know they hear am. Your ear. You deaf? You know they hear.
What is the meaning, sir?
Bovi. You see that guy? I dey imagine how that guy go dey the time when dey small. He go ugly, eh? The kind of ugly wey go dey the time when dey small. Now I just dey imagine.
Okay, what is about? See.
That guy wey you see, upon say he don't make money, he still up. Now I dey imagine the time when dey small, when never make money.
Is it because of the name?
You see that guy wey dey see so, the meaning of the name self now I no know. You see that guy, e be like say the meaning na bonvoch. Okay. You know they hear. Okay. You know they hear the name. Bovi.
Okay, Bonaventure.
Bovi na him be bonvoch. And the guy himself he even look like bonvoch. Even look like bonvoch. Go.
Okay, now
leave that guy.
Okay, for instance, now we have another name. She's a female, and her name is Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage. What do you understand by that name? Does it have any implication? Any spiritual implication?
Wait, no talk again. You see that girl where they talk so? Tiwa Savage. The girl don't even know herself the way I take now. You see that girl where they see so? She don't know herself the way me. Cathy take now. Tiwa Savage. He no know herself the way. You know who the girl be?
I don't understand, sir.
That girl wey you see so, yeah, in great grandpapa, wey born in great grandpapa. Maybe that short ugly bald headed man.
Okay.
Wey come Enugu in 1920s. Na him be in grandpapa.
You mean it?
The girl don't know. Wait, make I tell you. That man where they tell you say his name na Dr. Savage. The man ugly. He swear. If you like say for Germany they swear his name put for ugly.
Okay.
The ugly way short, ugly, bald head they carry. The only thing we say na say him be doctor. Una dey laugh.
No, I'm not laughing.
Una think say wetin I dey talk no be true.
No, you are a catechist. As a catechist, I know you cannot be lying.
See, make I tell you. If you na that wetin I talk, go for Enugu for GRA for Enugu here. House of Savage Crescent. They go show you.
Okay, we have it in Enugu here.
Na in great grandpapa na they take do that street where they hear so. Dr. Savage na be Savage Crescent.
Wow.
Go ask. Leave am.
Okay.
That girl need to come bribe me or say I tell her where she dey come from. She need to not be bribed, sorry. You know say if politicians carry 20-something million, yes, they go say na tip. If you give police 15 naira, they go talk say na bribe. Anyway, Savage, you no go give me bribe na 15. Wetin you go give me na tip for
just
telling you who you are.
Just more token.
Tip. I don't take token. Tip.
Okay.
Tip. You know tip na 24 million.
Okay.
15 naira na be bribe.
Okay.
So
okay, now let's just look at this another name.
Talk
and that one is called Kofi. I don't know whether that one is a Ghana name.
Wait you talk?
It's called Kofi.
Kofi. That one away soldier. That on away soldier. You know who that guy be? That guy where you calling now? Kofi.
No.
The name sound like Nigeria.
Yes.
The name where you call now sound like Nigeria. You know who Kofi be?
No.
Kofi, you see that guy where say name na Kofi?
Na Kofi.
You know that time for 1998 something, where Baba be president.
Yes.
That time where Baba give Ghana, all these Ghana people, Ghana must go. Where Baba give them quick notice, all Ghana, quick notice, go back. Ghana must go. Now Kofi follow for those people when Papa carry come Nigeria, and Kofi run, go hide himself for one cocoa plantation where they for Ogun State.
Is that true?
Now there where he dey until they come carry Baba come down. Now he come out say in they do comedy. You know see am, in they do comedy now.
Wow.
My brother, so wetin Kofi no know.
So it's from Ghana.
Kofi wait to see. Wetin you no know be say wetin go around go still come around. That be the thing. Kofi wey dey see so, he don run 1980, come back 2015. Baba don come back o. If you no give me tip, if you no come carry something better give me, my dear, I go just carry you, just carry your name go give Baba. Baba don come back na. I go just tell Baba o. You see that guy where he give Ghana must go that time, where he say for 1980 something, where he give Ghana must go. The guy go hide though, say he don't come out now, say him be comedian. You know what Baba go give you? He go give you Ghana must go, never return back. Now he go give you. He better come, jeje. They give me tip, no wahala. I go just dey on my own, chop I chop, now be my government. Okay. I don't get problem.
Okay, Mr. Catechist, is talk.
God bless you.
Okay, let's take, I like that your name, the Igbo one, that one is called ABJ Job. Let's greet again.
Odog, wait, that man don't die.
Which
man? He don't kill him, your papa, he don't kill him.
No, not me kill him, now he die on his own.
He die on your own?
He die on his own.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
The titled man.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
The titled man.
Obinigwe wofu na. Na ito ọgwụ ya bụ na ị na-achụ.
Too much.